1, 2, 3.
I can't smile.
It's a bit of a tricky one we've got here today. I only found out about this job on Friday and today is Tuesday, so they wanted the job done before Thursday, so we managed to pull some guys off one of the other jobs so that we could get this all done before the big opening evening, which is on Thursday evening. So this is the job we've got to try and get done over the next 2 days. We'll be cleaning the top of the canopy and also underneath the canopy. The focus for today is going to be jet washing all the top of the canopy from the cherry picker and also from the flat roof up above. So if the guys can get the top done today, we stand a good chance of getting all the bottom done as well. After we're doing the cleaning tomorrow, in the far end, we're also putting up some bird protection because there's a few areas where the birds are sitting. So stay tuned, watch this transformation and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hope you've enjoyed this week's video where we've cleaned this canopy and removed lots of moss and fungus in time for the school opening evening on Thursday. If you're liking our content, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them below and I'll answer them myself. And if you do like the channel, then please make sure to subscribe. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some more roof cleaning videos. Click here for some more pressure washing videos.